Day 71, Ralph Wiggum. So I finally built an AI that invokes itself in a loop. You can use any of the major coding tools, whether that's Cursor or Claude Code, just so long as you have a terminal, because you will use like a bash script to actually execute. I run my Ralph Wiggum within OpenCode. And so what I have is in my OpenCode setup, I have some commands. So I start with this like PRD create command, which I invoke when I want to start creating a lot of tasks. The fun thing about Ralph Wiggum is that I actually don't just use it for coding, I use it for non-coding tasks as well. So we have this PRD. I have also created a skill of how to create a PRD with the structure, goals, all that fun stuff. Then I take that PRD, I convert it to a JSON format. I have my little Ralph skill here, which takes it in the JSON format, puts it in a particular place. And then this is really the magic, the Ralph iterate command. So it'll iterate, it'll take a task. Once it's done and it's accepted, it will make it true. And then on the next loop, it will go on the next task. And what's so good, because it runs iteratively on a loop, each loop has new context. And so like in one window, sometimes you can like run into context limits, but it's creating a fresh instance every time it runs an iteration. And then the actual script that invokes everything is here. So I have a bash script. So I just run Ralph.sh and the iteration. Wherever I put my PRD JSON, it works globally on my computer and then it runs. And the real fun of the command is this run Ralph iterate. So I talked about this Ralph iterate command prior. Run Ralph iterate because OpenCode, like a lot of terminal agents, you can run the command to actually do OpenCode within the terminal. And then it inputs this. And once it's completely done, it's completely done. And then along the way, it will kind of put progress in it so that for the next iteration, your Ralph instance isn't going from beginning, it's just going from that. So super duper cool, really, really excited. I've been running this for all the things coding and non-coding and excited to do more.